I would love to have your opinion. So when I post on TikTok, I post 3 times a day. But when I began my journey, I posted anywhere between 3 and 5 times a day because I didn't know. I didn't have anybody instructing me on how to do it, what to do, and why to do it. When it came to these videos, I would like to have your opinion on what do you do? Comment below what you do. Do you pay attention to what all the gurus are saying and post at certain times during the day, or do you just do you? I used to go by all the rules. I used to do the hashtags and, I would do descriptions and SEO and post at this time and not that time. But I would really, really like to know down in the comments, what is your method? What do you do? I would love for you to share that with me because I'm just really curious what everybody does. So one, I want to tell you, I am in a community. If you guys are looking for a community with support and coaching, one-on-one, something to help you push through on your business because maybe you have a lot of questions that are not being addressed, reach out to me. Guys, make sure you're following me. Save this video for later. And if you can, smash that heart button.